So, you've got great products or services. The internet helps you reach more potential customers than ever before. You invest some money each month on search engine optimization. Your website ranks pretty well, but you really don't know how much new business those ranks actually generate each month. You also use pay-per-click advertising on Google and maybe on Bing and Yahoo too. In addition to this, you invest time and money to maintain a strong social presence on websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Google+, Pinterest, and more. You might even have tried some display advertising, maybe some remarketing. You also realize that there is still a world that exists offline and advertise sometimes in print media, on radio or TV. Your dilemma is that all of this adds up to a sizable monthly investment, and you just don't know which media are driving new business to your company and which are just wasting you money. You find it impossible to know your company's cost per lead, conversion rates, cost per acquisition for each different medium, and so are somewhat in the dark. Imagine if you could get all of this information. Imagine if you could track the source of every new lead and customer. You could then know precisely your return on investment each month by advertising medium. For those media that drive strong return on investment, it makes sense to increase the budget allocated in order to generate higher profits. For those that are not performing as well, we can investigate more closely to understand why not and make changes. We call this active budget management. Our tracking and active budget management service works whereby one of our experts works closely with your company to implement internal systems to ensure that every lead and new customer is tracked regardless of whether they contact your business by phone, email, or query form on your website. Once these systems are in place, we can deliver meaningful, easy-to-interpret financial reports that give you total visibility into the performance of all your marketing efforts. This information empowers us to actively manage your budget, spending more on what works and less on what doesn't. To learn more about DPFOC's tracking and active budget management service, give us a call.